So recently, we heard about a group of dogs that were looking for rescue for a long time. We didn't know how they would be with other dogs. We didn't know how they would be with people. What we did know was how they were living, and that wasn't okay with us. So a couple of us went to Pennsylvania, and when we met these dogs, we didn't know what to expect. We were a little worried. We had to drive back home with them. You know, we have to work with them on a daily basis here. But what we saw was different, I think, than we've seen with any other puppy mill rescue dogs. They literally came running at us and knew that they were saved. And they jumped on us and were kissing us and literally knocked us over because somehow they knew that we were the first kind people that they ever met. So they're beautiful, they're wonderful. They're 6-year-old Rottweiler sisters, and there's an 8-year-old Australian cattle dog. We named them after powerful, positive women who are in animal welfare. So the biggest Rottweiler is Jane Goodall. She's got this big giant head and she's all wrinkly. She can't wait to kiss you. She just plows right at you, knocks you down, kisses your face. And then her sister, Betty White, is equally as exuberant. If one's on you, the other's like, oh no, I want to love that person. And then Miley Cyrus is our cattle dog, and she's a little bit more of what you might expect from a puppy mill survivor. If you raise up your hand to show her a treat, she kind of cowers a little bit, but that tail is moving the whole time. They've never seen the indoors. They were outdoors in a pen with other dogs. So that was their whole life. You will not go to a puppy mill and purchase a beautiful dog like this. They keep them there to breed them until they're no longer profitable for them, and then they either bury them in a hole, they shoot them, they put them out in the woods, but they're commodities to them. They're just numbers. You will get their puppy while they stay behind and they'll be abused. We got lucky with these girls, and they got lucky because they're out.